Justin Tyndall, Water Ninja. I wanted to talk to you about our Smart Choice Stackable water treatment system today. The great thing about this system, as you can see, is two separate systems combined into one. The top system here is the KDF filter. What that basically means is it takes out all your iron, your sulfur, and bacteria. The bottom unit softens your water, okay? The smart system has technology that's superior to nothing else in the industry, and I want to touch here on that a little bit. It's patent protected. There's actually 7 patents on this machine alone. It's a space-saving filter / softener. Obviously, with it being a stackable unit, it can fit into some locations that the other systems can't. Also eliminates up to 5 parts per million of iron, which is 15 times the EPA regulated amount. It treats up to 35 grains of hardness, which is over 3.5 times what's considered very hard water. It regenerates based on usage, so you're not going to just waste water with regeneration process like other units that you get. It regenerates only when it needs to. No corrosive materials, so you're not going to see a lot of build-up, gunk, or corrosion on the materials that the product's made from. 5-year industry-leading warranty, and that actually means something. We come out and replace the unit within 72 hours if something goes bad. Lifetime warranty on all tanks and resins. So anything from the head of the unit down is guaranteed for life. And also here with the price point, I mean, that really speaks for itself. If you look at some competitors, you'll see that you can't even get a standard softener for that price, let alone something that filters out iron, sulfur, and other bacteria. Now, as we look at the back of the unit here, or the mechanical head, excuse me, you'll notice that most machines you're probably familiar with are all welded and soldered together. With this unit here, everything is put together with no screws, nuts, or bolts. Everything clips and screws together. And you can see it's all plastic, so corrosion is never an issue. Everything on this unit is replaceable. As you can see here with the valve, the brine valve that connects to the brine tank to clean your water treatment system, you can pop the valve directly out, like so. And if there's anything you need to clean, power wash out, or even replace, that's an option that you have. I would just say our competitors do not have the same luxury. You can snap that right back in, you're good to go. This here is to back flush out your KDF filter. And just like with the brine tank, you pop this out, you've got the ability to look at it, see if there's any gunk or anything backed up in there, and then you can either replace or put back in yourself. Now, you heard me mention yourself a few times. This is so easy that you can legitimately buy these from us and put them in yourself. There's no need to pay a mechanic or a plumber to come out to your home and have the extra cost of that wrapped up into maintaining your machine. You can do it yourself. And that's right down to the nuts and bolts, even though we don't have those. You can take the front of the machine right off, and you can actually see the circuit board. As you see here, there's only 3 actual connection points into the circuit board. You can take this off just by snapping this little part right here. It'll snap off, circuit board releases, and then you can replace that circuit board. So when I say that there's nothing that can't be replaced on the stackable unit, I mean there's nothing that can't be replaced. One of the things we like to say here at Water Ninja is this is the last system you'll ever have to buy. I guess it's not great for return customers, but we like to do it right the first time. So anything on this unit can be replaced at any point in time. It is legitimately the last system you'll ever buy. If you have any questions or concerns on anything I've gone over today, reach out to us at www.waterninja.net or at 269-753-9844. Thanks again.